I always ask the students on the first day of class, why are you taking this class? 29 out of 30 students say, this is exactly what I want to do. What we try and do is give them the full foundation of what they're going to need and prepare them. So by the end of the semester, they're already saying, okay, for sure, I want to be a homicide crime scene investigator, or for sure, I want to work in the patrol division, or for sure, I want to lean towards the federal government and have a wonderful federal career. So they're going to know where they stand at the end of the semester, and the goal is that they know that by the time they graduate.
In one of my classes, we had to interrogate someone, and she was talking to us one time in class how she interrogated one for like 16, 17 hours, and she just made us do it for an hour, and it was very stressful and hard, and just you had to be on point, and you had to follow certain techniques, and if you follow your certain techniques, then you would have a successful interrogation.
I was invited to come and instruct on what the first responders' role is in law enforcement. And some of the experiences in a specific case that I worked on. So instead of just reading it out of a book, they can have someone stand there and who's experienced it in life. And it's not necessarily their professor, and it's not, you know, the dean of the program or whatever. It's somebody who works every day currently in the job field.
Being in the heart of Raleigh, everything is centered here. That's an extremely advantageous thing about our program is when you intern, and you have to intern. When you intern, you are going down the street to work, you know, in the Capital District, the State Bureau of Investigation. Like, you can't beat that. And Raleigh PD is one of the elite police departments in the country. So we've had a couple interns there. We've had a couple interns with the CCBI. So their internships set them up, right, to get those sort of jobs.
I would love to be a homicide detective. That is my main goal for leaving here. Jumping straight into that, but I'm pretty sure that, working my way up, I'll get there. We did a surveillance project, which was really fun. We did it outside the Joyner house, and we had to watch a drug deal go down and make an affidavit off of that. So we had a masked group, everybody was in their own little area, watching, walking around, doing surveillance, and learning the actual steps for surveillance.
In terms of learning from the agencies that surround our campus, the students have a broad reach in terms of the knowledge that they're going to gain from practitioners that are literally within one block away from this institution. So there's a benefit to being here.